The liver weighing in at about 3 pounds in healthy adults is one of the body's vital organs. It is responsible for many important functions related to digestion, metabolism, immunity, and the storage of nutrients that the body needs to survive. Moreover, the liver is a gland that secretes chemicals required by other parts of the body. In fact, the liver is the only part of your body that is both an organ and a gland. A healthy liver regulates the composition of blood, removes harmful toxins from the blood, as well as processes and converts nutrients absorbed by the intestine during digestion into form that the body can use. It also stores some vitamins, iron, and simple sugar glucose. It is also responsible for breaking down insulin, hemoglobin, and other hormones. In addition, it destroys old red blood cells and produces chemicals needed for blood to clot properly. Because the liver performs so many vital functions, it is important to keep it healthy. An unhealthy diet and poor lifestyle can overwork and overload the liver, leaving it unable to process toxins and fat efficiently. This in turn can raise the risk of obesity, cardiovascular disease, chronic fatigue, headaches, digestive problems, allergies, and many other health problems. Many foods can help cleanse, rejuvenate, and detoxify your livers. This will help keep your liver healthy and functioning the way you need it to. Here are the top 10 liver cleansing foods. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is great for cleansing your liver. It helps activate enzymes in the liver that help clear out toxins. It also contains two natural compounds called allicin and selenium, which aid in the liver cleansing process and protect the liver from toxin damage. Moreover, garlic reduces cholesterol and triglyceride level, which can overload the liver and hamper its functioning. To promote liver health, use fresh raw garlic instead of processed minced garlic or powder. Eat 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves daily and include garlic in your cooking whenever possible. You can also take garlic supplements, but only after consulting your doctor. Number 2. Grapefruit. Being a good source of vitamin C, pectin, and antioxidant, grapefruit also aids the natural cleansing process of the liver. It also contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and detoxifies the liver. Glutathione also helps in the detoxification of heavy metals. Drink a small glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice or enjoy the whole fruit with your breakfast daily. Note, if you are on medication, consult your doctor before taking this fruit as it may interact with certain drugs. Number 3. Beetroots. Beetroots are another powerful food for cleansing and supporting liver function. High in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they help stimulate and improve overall liver function. Moreover, beetroots are natural blood purifiers. Simply add fresh beetroots or juice to your daily diet. Make a powerful liver cleansing salad with 1 cup of chopped or grated beetroots, 2 tablespoons of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of half lemon. Mix all the ingredients together and eat 2 teaspoons of it every 2 hours during the day for a week. Number 4. Lemons. Lemons help detoxify the liver mainly due to the antioxidant D-limonene present in it, which can activate enzymes in the liver that aid detoxification. Moreover, the high amount of vitamin C in lemon helps your liver produce more enzymes to aid digestion. Lemon also boosts mineral absorption by the liver. Make lemon water at home by adding the juice of 1 lemon to a jar of water. You can even add chopped lemon to it. Drink this water at regular intervals. If desired, add a little bit honey. Number 5. Green teas. By drinking green tea daily, you can help your body flush out toxins and fat deposits while increasing hydration level. Green tea is also beneficial in treating or preventing liver disease. According to a 2009 study published in Cancer Causes and Control, people who drink green tea have a lower risk of developing liver cancer. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. If desired, sweeten your tea with honey. Note: avoid drinking green tea in excess as it can have an adverse impact on your liver and other body parts. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados contain potent chemicals that may reduce liver damage according to a 2000 study by the American Chemical Society. This fruit is rich in glutathione, a compound required by the liver to cleanse harmful toxins and to function properly. The high amount of monounsaturated fat in avocado helps reduce low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol and increase high-density lipoprotein or good cholesterol. The liver easily processes good cholesterol. Moreover, avocado contains many minerals, vitamins, and plant nutrients that support overall liver health and help break down fats. Eat 1 or 2 avocados per week for a couple of months to help reverse liver damage. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is another popular and effective liver cleansing food. It also improves the body's ability to digest fat. The compound curcumin in turmeric induces the formation of a primary liver detoxification enzyme called glutathione transferase. It also helps regenerate damaged liver cells. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of water and boil it. Drink it twice daily for a couple of weeks. Also include this spice in your daily cooking. Number 8. Apples. An apple a day is the secret behind a healthy liver. Apples are a good source of pectin and soluble fiber that help remove toxins from the digestive tract and cholesterol from the blood, in turn preventing the liver from being overworked. Moreover, apple contains malic acid and naturally cleansing nutrients that remove carcinogens and other toxins from the blood. All types of apples are good for your liver. However, for fast liver cleansing, choose organic apples. Eat 1 organic apple or drink a glass of fresh apple juice daily. Number 9. Walnut. The high amount of the amino acid L-arginine in walnut aids the liver in detoxifying ammonia. Moreover, walnut contains glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which aid the natural liver cleansing process. Munch on a handful of walnut as a snack daily. You can also sprinkle them over a salad, side dish, soup, or baked goods. Number 10. Broccoli. Support the natural liver cleansing process by including broccoli in your diet. Being rich in glucosinolates, it helps flush carcinogens and other harmful toxins out of the body. The high fiber content in broccoli also improves the digestion process. Moreover, it contains fat-soluble vitamin E, an important antioxidant for the liver to carry out its function. Eat 1 cup of broccoli 3 times a week to keep your liver healthy. Also, to keep your liver healthy, health experts recommend eliminating or reducing animal foods as well as alcohol, refined sugar, excess caffeine, and processed food from your diet. In addition, stop smoking as it causes significant damage to different organs of the body, including the liver. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too.